In this video, I'll show you how you can change the 12-hour time format to the 24-hour. Now, as you can see, I have a time zone down here. Now, the way you can change it is you right-click on your little Windows button down here, go to Settings. From in here, you're gonna select Time and Language. Now, once you're in here, on the left-hand side, you will see a button that says Region. You're gonna click on this. From in here, you can see your country, your format, and down here where it says Change Data Formats, click on it. Now from in here on short time and long time, there will be drop-down menus. You can select them, and you will be able to choose the kind of time that you want it to be presented down here. Now that's basically how you can do it on your Windows, guys. You can also go back and you can change the format, your country. From in here you can change your time zone so it matches your time zone and everything in here. So that's how you do it, guys. It's super simple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.